Hi, this is Tom Chelednik with Remax Realty Associates, and today I'm joined with Robert Klein from New Cumberland. He's an attorney in New Cumberland, and oftentimes when I'm working with buyers will ask, what is title insurance? Why do I need it? So Rob has been very gracious in taking his time to answer some questions for us. First off, Rob, why should buyers have a title search done, and what is title insurance? How does it help them?
All right. With every transaction where you're buying an interest in real estate, a title search should be performed beforehand, and that allows your attorney or your title agent to take steps to clear any potential liens on the property, any other title issues that arise, and certain things like simple rights of way for utilities make you aware that they exist, even though realistically they're going to continue to run with the property. Title insurance is your guarantee that work has been performed, and provides you with protection in an instance where maybe a deed has been misfiled or a lien hasn't been properly cleared, to ensure that you maintain good title to the property that you're buying.
Rob, another question that buyers ask all the time is, how much does it cost? What does title insurance cost?
In the whole scheme of things, the premium for title insurance is a small portion of what your total closing costs are going to be. And there's not a whole lot of wiggle room. The rates are highly regulated by the Pennsylvania Insurance Department. So for the most part, the rates from one agent to another are going to be standard. There are a couple of insurers that file their own rates, but even there you're talking percentage points on the difference in the premium. So for the most part in Pennsylvania, title insurance premiums are pretty much regular throughout the state.
So it's a set fee based off of, I guess, the sale price of the home? Was that what it would be?
In a purchase situation, the basis is usually the sale price of the home. If there's a mortgage as part of the transaction, the lender is going to require a title policy as well, and the lender would typically require certain endorsements to their policy, which as the buyer you're responsible for. That can add anywhere from $150 to $300 or $400 to the premium. Realistically, in most transactions, is around $200.
And Rob, one last question: who picks who does the title search, and who is the closing or the title company involved with the transaction, whether you're buying or refinancing a home?
The buyer has the ultimate control over who's performing these services on their behalf. We're in an age where banks are starting to get into the title industry, realtors are starting to get into the title industry. Quite frankly, the buyer chooses who they want to do to handle the settlement. Hopefully, if you're relying on an agent to make recommendations, they're providing you with options, and there is a benefit to having an attorney title agent involved, because the typical title agent that's not an attorney, should a legal issue arise, is going to have to refer you out to an attorney. If you have someone involved in the transaction from the get-go that can help you out if a legal issue arises, then you're one step ahead of the process, and when you're days from settlement and something comes up, it's good to have that peace of mind.
Good. Well, thanks for your help, Rob. If you have any further questions about title insurance or buying or selling a home, please feel free to give me a call at 717-574-3988. That's 717-574-3988. Or you can always reach Rob. He's located at 714 Bridge Street, New Cumberland, and his number is 717-770-2540.